Hey Sunny Solution fans, if you're watching me live, give me some hearts and likes and give me a comment below after you're done watching. And I wanted to tell you tonight a little bit about Immortelle as well as the Frankincense Touch. So a couple things about Immortelle. It's great to apply on the skin. So anytime that you have want to reduce the appearance of fine lines, so around the eyes, your smile lines, the forehead, great to help prevent and reduce those lines that you have. And then the other thing that it's really good for is it can support stretch marks and also scars. So you can just roll it right onto that area. And then the other thing, it also helps with blemishes and uplifts the mood. And one of the things that you can do, the Immortelle is not pre-diluted with carrier oil, so it doesn't have the fractionated coconut oil. It's all pure essential oils. So sometimes people like to take the top off of this and split it between two roller bottles. So if you have an empty roller bottle, you can pour half and half. You just got to be careful with it. You might want a little funnel to do that. And then fill the rest of it with fractionated coconut oil, and it'll make it go further. And then the other thing that Immortelle can do, it can help with your eye health. So what you can do when you roll it around your outside your eyes, now don't get it in your eye, but just around the outside. And I like to do like a swipe here and a swipe right here underneath each eye. And then I take my ring finger and just kind of gently massage around it and apply it there. And then also on the bottoms of your second and third toes on your feet. That will help support your eye health, especially for people who feel like they're not seeing quite as clearly because their eyes feel dim. So Immortelle is great for that. And then also Immortelle can help when you have skin cells that are dividing improperly. So they're not dividing in the correct order and maybe too fast. So you can use Immortelle to support that, as well as frankincense. So all those same skin issues, frankincense works for that. And you may even want to apply a little bit of the Frankincense Touch first and then add the Immortelle right around each eye. So kind of a 1-2. There is some frankincense in the Immortelle, but you'll get just a little bit more. And for many of you who have been following me on Facebook and YouTube, you know that frankincense is one of my desert island oils, so I love it. It has 42 common primary uses in the Modern Essentials reference book. You can use it for about anything. One of the things that I wanted to highlight with the frankincense, again, it helps with all those same skin issues, but it also supports the immune system. So you can roll it on the bottoms of your feet or down your spine, really good for the immune system. Any type of discomfort, whether it's emotional or physical discomfort, you can apply it that way. And then good for brain health. So especially as we age, sometimes our brains don't feel as sharp as we want. So you can apply that right down the back of the neck is a great place to apply that. Also the big toe, put it there. And then people who have struggles with uncontrolled shaking, frankincense is really helpful for that as well. So you can apply that to the back of the neck and also on the bottoms of the feet and down the inside of the feet on this edge. And that kind of is your spine in reflexology, acupressure points. So the other fun thing about the Frankincense Touch, I love to carry this with me. It's good for owies on the go. So it'll help you, if you bump into something and you tend to get dark there, you can put that on right away. And sometimes it'll help you from getting, too tender there in that spot. Great for little kids to pack in a diaper bag or your backpack. So when they fall down and scrape their knee, I like to just put a little bit right on my fingertip like that and then apply it to the owie that way. It helps keep the roller bottle clean as well as you have a little more control of the pressure that you're using. Sometimes with the roller bottle, you can't tell how hard you're pressing. If you have an open cut or scrape, you might want to just go around the outside edge of that because you don't want to put that right into that. So those are just some ways that I use the Immortelle and the Frankincense Touch. If you're watching this today on Thursday, July 22nd, 2021, there is a buy one, get one free. So if you buy the Immortelle, you get the Frankincense Touch for free, or it comes in that BOGO box, which is still available as well. But I hope you can use these tips year round. So if you have some questions, let me know. If you're watching this on the replay, do a hashtag replay, or on YouTube, give me a thumbs up and a comment. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.